Hi, friend. Hi, Mom Shi. Hi, Gen Z, Gen X, Gen Y. Great afternoon here in the Philippines. So, maybe morning sa inyo or evening. Thank you for watching our channel. So, today's devotional is from the Daily Hope of Pastor Rick Warren. A toolbox for life. You've got to decide what rules your life. So, ang Bible verse natin is from Jeremiah 17 verse 9. The human mind is the most deceitful of all things. It is incurable. No one can understand how deceitful it is. So, kumbaga, the devotional today talks about uh, what will have the final authority in your life. So, ang parents ba natin, peers, your friends, our career, books that we read, people you follow on social media, the social influencer, the movies or shows you watch, or the song you listen to. So, ano ba yung what rules our life, diba? Sino ba yung pinapakinggan natin? Who do we believe to? Who we aspire for? So, God allows you to decide. He's given you free will. So, may free will daw tayo. So, we are there are three categories. Most of the authority options fall into three categories. Number one is opinions. So sabi nga natin, nung marami tayong influences, our relatives, our friends, our books, our social media, di ba? You can depend on your gut to tell you what to do. But there's a problem with that. Study shows our perceptions are more likely to be wrong than right. So sabi nga, the human mind is the most deceitful of all. It is incurable. No one understands how deceitful it is. So sa opinion, the world also, meron din, what do we see in our world? You could base your balance on what others think, but people often value the wrong things. So do we believe on the world? Do we believe on our opinion? And the third category is God's words. God's word is objective and faith, truthful, unlike your own perception or the world's opinion. So, we are being guided by Pastor Rick Warren to believe God's word over what is our opinion and what is the world's opinion. Sabi niya sa John 8 verse 31 to 32, if you continue in my word, you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. So, there's only one authority. It's God's word that will shape the values of our life. So, why is the choice of authority so critical? What have you allowed? When have you allowed your own perception or the world's opinions to have authority above God's words? What have the results been? What have you allowed God's word to have final authority? What have the results been? So friend, we're encouraged by Pastor Rick Warren to study the Bible, to study God's Word. So we will be guided towards the right path, towards the right priorities, towards the right values. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.